Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. DMAIC is an acronym for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. And it's a fundamental project management methodology that's used pretty ubiquitously globally to help organize and structure projects. So DMAIC has become a standard. And the idea is that as you move forward in using each of these letters to guide your process, you're going to be doing the right things to set yourself up for success. So define is really about defining your specific project objectives, your goals, your vision. You might even do some light research, talk to key stakeholders and sponsors in order to define what it is you're trying to achieve. Measure is all about quantifying those specific outputs you're looking for. How are you going to measure success? What data do you have access to so that you can really peel back the onion and figure out, do you have the kind of data to indicate to you that you have creating a dashboard that might help you measure what you're trying to do and achieve with those goals. So sometimes you have to figure out what you can measure and then adjust what your metrics are based on what you have available. But then you want to analyze. You want to essentially go out into the organization, look at the data, talk to people, figure out what is the current state of the organization or of your project so that you can analyze what are the gaps, what are the needed interventions that you want to do, which then leads you to improve. So you want to actually make those changes in the organization. You want to improve things, you want to change processes, and a lot of times that does involve engaging stakeholders and implementing technology. Then the final step is control. Control is essentially formalizing those processes, creating systems that allow you to sustain the changes that you've defined so that you can achieve those metrics that you're looking for and you've achieved the goals of the project. So that is DMAIC. You want to make sure you focus on each step along the way in sequence, and that will set you up for success. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.